Hello and welcome to Stock Market Activity Day 3. There are only 4 of you left in the competition, so your chances at 25 points is pretty good. It says that it wants you to fill out the table below for all the shares of stock you currently own. And keep in mind that the stock you currently own is the shares you had from the first day. Number of shares from the first day of each company minus what you sold from the middle table on day 2, and I think only 3 of the 4 of you sold anything. And then add any shares that you purchased on day 2. So for a company, that's all you need to do. Day 1 minus sold on day 2 plus purchased on day 2. So fill out this table with the company number, the company name, because that is now revealed to you down here, so you can see who all the companies are. The number of shares owned like we just talked about. Then the price per share from down below. Multiply the shares times the price to get value. Add the value up, and that's the value of your $1,000 portfolio when we are done. And here are the prices and things. So, up above, it also said that if you own company number 5, which I think was Netflix, or if you own company number 8, which was Apple, their stock split 7 for 1. So if you owned any of those after you computed how many shares you own of each company, then you're going to take the number of shares times 7 to get how many shares you have now. And then you'll take how many shares you have now times their price. And if you have 5 or 8, you've got a pretty good shot at winning this thing, probably. So that's it. Make sure you submit by 10 p.m. I'll announce winners tomorrow.